another vlog is uploaded on my channel, guys. By the time you guys are watching this one will be public na. So, yeah, super nakakatuwa lang kasi ang bilis mag-upload sa YouTube ngayon, guys. Parang 2 hours lang or 3 hours and then na-upload na siya agad. Unlike before, it will take me like the whole day to upload a vlog. But yeah, it is now uploaded on my channel. You guys should check it out if you haven't watched it yet. Bought this one online and it's a mirror or a decorative mirror. This is like an antique or parang vintage na siya, and I bought this one online and I'm so happy I bought this one. It's super duper cute. I don't know where to put this one, probably here sa aming living room, but yeah, it is so nice. It looks like parang Bali inspired, I don't know, for some reason. So ganyan siya, guys. It's just basically a mirror and meron siyang mga parang beads here, if you guys can see. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang mga parang pa-beads. I just need to clean it. I don't know, very tita. I just had to get this one dahil super cute niya. Table na parang ganyan. Tapos pwede kang maglagay ng mga things, di ba? Parang tray, ganun. Third parcel of the day, guys. Wanted na ako dun sa guardhouse. Hey guys! Welcome to another vlog! And yes, today, super na naman yung ating makeup. It's because later today, I'll be doing another live stream and I wasn't able to film na a get ready with me because you guys already know the drill. You guys probably see yung previous clips that I am painting something, and it is actually a bag that I am trying to like DIY restore. I just want to share it with you guys, and it's like a mini haul na rin of like the leather goods that I got few weeks ago or few days ago. I did a simple like DIY or restoration of those things that I got. This is a recent purchase and it's from the Chanel Cambon line. It's there from the Cambon line. It's a vintage Chanel bag and a vintage Chanel bifold wallet. So they are both from the Cambon line. These leather goods are very vintage na. So I got this one pretty much affordable than compare sa mga Chanel na yung mga Leboy, ganyan. This is like a very vintage vibe Chanel. I opt to get this one than those that are yung mga chain sling, ganyan, na Chanel because this is pretty much like cheaper. Plus, I just love those like Y2K-ish style and vintage style. So, I got these two right here. Actually, matchy sila. Ayan, guys. These are the two leather goods that I did try to restore. This is the Chanel Cambon Bowler bag. Ayan. And this one naman is the Chanel Cambon bifold wallet. So I got these two leather goods on a different occasion or different time. Hindi ko sila binili ng isang bilihan lang. And I'm so happy that I found them both na Cambon line. I just like to do like yung parang terno, ganyan. So yeah, I'm so happy that I got these two bags in a good condition pa. Kaya lang, these Cambon line from Chanel are vintage na. So you guys will expect na yung leather is somehow hindi na siya ganun ka-polish or it's not too like vibrant anymore. I thought of giving them like a splash of color or just a simple makeover or somehow restore them by my own. And yeah, I'm so happy that I did restore them. Shiny na siya and super black na siya. I wasn't able nga lang to show you guys yung before like itsura nito, pero I think I will insert like a photo of it. Somehow, na-restore ko naman sila and I'm so happy that I did it on my own. And yeah, I'm pretty much satisfied from whatever it looks like right now. Super, as in parang nagmukha siyang new, guys. What I did is like, I just paint these two with some leather paint that I bought on Shopee. By the way, that leather paint is so good. A little goes a long way. And ma-restore niya talaga, guys, yung mga leather goods niya, especially those, yung mga medyo faded na siya or medyo vintage na siya. So if you guys have like leather bags or leather shoes na hindi na siya ganun kaganda yung leather, yung medyo dull na yung leather niya because, you know, vintage kind of leather, you guys can also use that leather paint. I can suggest that to you guys. In any way, this is not a sponsor post, but if you guys want to use that kind of leather paint as well, you guys will see a lot of leather paints on Shopee. The one that I use is, I think it is a local product from Marlon's. The brand is Marlon's, so you guys can check them out. I'll be also putting a link below kung saan ko siya exactly nakuhang shop. If ever you guys are interested in restoring or trying to DIY something, you guys can also use that for your leathers. This kind of Chanel lang, I just so love it kasi yung straps niya are leather din as well and it doesn't look like you're going somewhere fancy. You can actually use this one if you're just going to a mall, ganyan, for casual lakad. You guys can use this one. Plus, the main reason I got this one, how spacious it is inside. As in, ang laki niya, guys, diba? Parang pahaba siya. And super madami siyang malalagay sa loob. So, just in case I'm just vlogging outside, I can use this bag. So, magkakasya yung mga stuff and my camera. Plus, it doesn't look super fancy. But, you still get yung vibe na Chanel siya. You still get the quality of Chanel without looking super fancy, you know, just for casual days. So, yeah. So, ayun guys, ewan ko ba kung bakit ko pa binavlog to, ano po. Pero nakakahiya kasi sobrang kalat ng room ko. Pero I just did try to organize it somehow. Kasi napapansin ko yung mga kalat na yan, ayan, mga yan, is nakapatong over here. So, ang nangyayari, super sikip na parang almost ito na lang yung nagagamit kong side ng table and the rest is puro nakapatong na. So, ang ginawa ko, naglagay lang ako ng parang small personal table in there. Tapos, parang para maging extended lang yung table. Tapos, yung mga nakapatong dyan before, nilagay ko na lang doon para hindi na makalat yung table na to, if you guys get what I mean. Anyway, hindi pa ganyan yung magiging itsura niyan kasi I'll be buying yung parang transparent na organizer so that hindi sila inaalikabukan. Ayun, I'll be buying that because I saw one on Shopee. I'll let you guys know if I bought one already. Pero ayun, bibili ako ng ganun yung naka-close na parang transparent. Tapos merong mga lagay ng mga channeling so that yung mga channeling na yan, hindi sila alikabukan. And I'm also planning to change this chair pala. Kasi this chair is like a stool lang and nilagyan ko siya ng parang fabric. Parang hindi ko na siya bet dyan. Parang gusto ko yung aesthetic the chair. Charing. Because I saw something on Lazada na parang super cute na chair and I might buy one para palitan na natin yung chair na yan. I know super kalat. Ayan yung mga gamit ko for the live stream ganyan. And huwag na lang pansinin guys pero at least naging organized na siya. I'll let you guys know if nabili ko na yung parang lagayan here. Tapos lagayan ng mga channeling para walang kalat and walang naaalikabukan kasi super duper alikabok.
Oo. Wala naman tinatong sa kapitid na. just treatment and haircut. Pero I have my eyebrows microbladed. So, ayan. Nantay pa namin si Mami.
Your season of occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short